Hey guys, we're back. We're back, and we're playing. We're gonna have a Nerf gun. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna do a World War III battle. It's gonna be me and Jared versus Xavier, Cooper, and Alex. Hey guys,
we can use them for show.
Oh my god! Whoa!
I got stacked up and ready for war, and I'm about to kick some people's butt. You do it all the time. We're gonna. No, listen, it's us two against him. Yeah, we get this to like, so me and Alex can see. Me and Alex can see the future. It's what? Make sure to sub and hit that like button, or else you will regret it. I'm gonna like kill myself. Yeah, guys, do this again. You're going again for 100 likes. We're gonna do it again for 100 likes. We're gonna go for 100 likes. 100 likes. Do this again. Yeah, 100 likes. Okay. No, as soon as we'll give you 3 days. Guys, hang on. I need to tell you something.
Where are the presents being held? We have to find out.
All right, listen. So, listen. If you, we're going to do a World War III. We're not using bullets, are we? Yeah, we are. We're using bullets.
Look, Daddy. 1,
like hell.
2, 3. Yay! Sure, it's because your birthday doesn't mean you get my phone. Okay.
You better.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna go downstairs. It is.
Whoa!
It's clearly. Oh.
This is a detailed mirror.
Clearly 7:03. Okay.
Mirror.
So we're gonna go, and we're gonna go downstairs, turn off all the lights, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay.
Remember told us,
Jared, what the frig, man?
And again, remember, you better hit that sub button or you're gonna regret it.
Yeah. Okay. Don't shoot me or my phone, man. This costs a lot of money. This costs $1,000.
Bang!
Give me my flipping. I hate you.
So when we start in the war?
I don't know.
We're starting the war in 5 minutes.
Let me kill you.
We want
Nothing Irish red.
go for 1,000 views, guys. 1,000 views.
Look at this
It's
dog.
awesome footage, right?
I'm under the bed.
No, you're not.
Yes.
Give me my phone.
Alright, guys, so we're starting.
We're starting up. Give us some time to get situated, and we'll be back in a minute. We'll be back in like.
We'll be back in like 5 minutes, okay? Bye. Okay, guys. So it's me and Jarrett.
Yeah.
Okay. This is my gun. This is everything else. That's Jarrett's gun. He's got a flipping awesome gun.
Boy.
He got a little Batman katana. So let's start the battle.
Them boys, one more shot. Chuck and roll. Dude, you gotta play that song when we're about to kill somebody.
Alright, let's go.
What the hell are you waiting for? Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. No.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna hide up here. Bro, I'm gonna hide in here.
Start.
Oh, start.
Start up! Okay, guys.
Heads up. Any secret weapons?
Nope. Show my sword.
Yep. Drop. Jared, can I wear your helmet? Drop it. Jared, can I wear your halo helmet?
No.
Please, Jared. Jared, please.
No.
Please, Jared. Please, Jared. Hey, they have a sniper.
Hey, what?
Come down.
Alright, guys, let's do this thing.
Jared, can I please wear your halo helmet? Oh, God. Stop.
Oh, they saw me.
Jared, can I please wear your halo helmet? You shoot me. You fire another shot, your friend's dead.
Not if I shoot you first, dude. Okay. Oh, God. Whoa, holy God. Alright, guys, we're going upstairs. I'm going.
I got him! It's the kill!
Alright, guys, let's do this. Now upstairs.
Oh, God! Oh, instant kill!
Hey, remember, you gotta remember all these darts go.
Got you, Brayden!
Take him out.
I'm dead.
Oh.
Pause. Okay, there's a pause.
Okay, I want to give you the camera so that you can record what I'm doing. So I paused it.
Next.
Where's the hostage?
He's in the closet.
Move, just me.
Where's in the closet?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Just
Just let me
can I
live.
have your darts?
How do you think?
Actually, give me your vest. Maybe that would be the best idea.
Just let me live.
I'm checking your pockets. I'm not an idiot.
I don't have anything.
I don't.
I'm completely unarmed.
Stand up.
I'm stuck here.
Stand up.
I'm stuck here and surrounded by you. What am I gonna do? Even if I did have a pistol somewhere, I'd immediately get gunned down.
Fine, you're good. Sit.
You sure damn that you
Come
win.
here. No. What are you doing? Get out of here. Come on.
Backwards more comfy.
Come on.
I don't want to take this stupid thingy off me.
What do you want from me?
Okay. So did you guys hear that whole entire fiasco? Yeah. Look at this, babe. Full ammo, waiting to be shot. Just destroy some.
I let her hostage go. What? Did you do that? Because. Because she was his own weapon.
Yeah, that's a smart idea. Shoot him with his own weapon.
I'm sorry. You're gonna die. Hey! Hey!
This is a magazine.
Hey, I'm just gonna walk.
Hey.
I won't do anything. I promise.
I'm done.
Okay.
Hand it to me. Hey.
That's how it's supposed to go. There we go. How much everything should